Mother's Day is a special day, and to all the mothers in Rhode Island, happy Mother's Day. Today is a day for us to honor you and cherish you and show you our love. Now this year, Mother's Day is going to be a little different because we can't necessarily go see our moms, and we definitely can't get together in big group family gatherings. But I hope you'll all find a way to show your mom how much you love her and how much you appreciate her. And we'll get creative, and we'll have a wonderful Mother's Day. You know, us moms spend our whole lives keeping our kids and our families safe and healthy, and so that's what we have to do today for each other and for our moms. Show them love, but do it in a way that is safe and that's healthy. I also want to take a minute this morning to thank all of the moms on my team who've been working overtime for the past 2 months to keep the people of Rhode Island safe. So, starting with Dr. Alexander Scott. You see her every day working hard, but did you know she has a 9-month-old at home, and this is her first Mother's Day that she'll be celebrating? She's doing a beautiful job balancing it all. I'm so proud of her, and the state is so lucky to have her. We also have Commissioner Angelica Infante Green, who has 2 beautiful children of her own, and Rose Jones, who runs Elderly Affairs, who has 4 children. My Deputy Chief of Staff, Lisa Vera Weiss, who's on the front lines working around the clock, managing her 2 children. DHS Director Courtney Hawkins has a beautiful little girl herself. These are the women who have been working 7 days a week, day and night, for 2 months to keep you safe. And I am so proud of them and so grateful for them. And then they also, at the same time, have been balancing the needs of their own children and their own families. So on behalf of a grateful Rhode Island, to all the moms on my team, I want to say thank you. I also want to take a minute to thank all of the moms who are having to get up every day and go to work and take care of their own families. And there are so many of you. We honor you, and we are so grateful for you. And on behalf of a grateful Rhode Island, thank you for your hard work each and every day helping us to fight this coronavirus and keeping Rhode Islanders safe. I'm talking about doctors, nurses, CNAs, home health care workers, folks who work in a nursing home, grocery store clerks, people that have continued to work in manufacturing operations, state employees, the hundreds of moms deployed in the National Guard, teachers assistants, superintendents, therapists, the list goes on and on. And you're there for us when we need you, taking care of all of Rhode Island, and at the same time, you're there for your families. You are truly heroic and strong and brave, and today we celebrate each and every one of you. And we want you to know we are so grateful, and we're wishing you a happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Governor. I want to start by saying Happy Mother's Day to you, thank you for being such an amazing model for all of us. There's nothing like having a governor who's an awesome mom and great leader overall. If coronavirus is keeping you physically apart from your mom today, let's all find creative ways to let our moms know that we're thinking about her. It's also important for those for whom Mother's Day is a little bit harder than usual. Make sure that you know you can reach out for help. We're all in this together. And with this being my first Mother's Day, I'm used to, in previous years and always, being able to acknowledge that we all have a motherliness to us, and we all have people who have been like mothers to us. So let's make sure that we appreciate and enjoy each other together on this particular day. We all know that this year, Mother's Day is not going to be our usual normal Mother's Day. With this being my first one, it wasn't what I anticipated, but I'm oh so grateful nonetheless. An amazing husband and amazing little boy. For one thing, we know that we will not be physically able to celebrate with many of the important mothers in our lives, but we can all be creative. My mom is doing great now at learning how to use video phones and switching the camera around. We're still working with her on that. But I want to give a special Mother's Day love to my mom, an amazing hero as well. Speaking of heroes, I want to echo what the governor said. All of the healthcare workers who are out there, the critical infrastructure workers who are out there as moms on the front lines, both for Rhode Island and for their families. We appreciate you and we are grateful. Happy Mother's Day to all in Rhode Island and beyond.
Thank you, Nicole. And I'd like to say Happy Mother's Day to my own mother. I love you. And I miss you, and thank you for all you've done and for all the love and strength you've given to me and my brother and sister over the years. You're our hero, and we're so proud of you and the way you keep going every day. And to my own children and my husband, being a mother is the greatest joy of my life. You guys have kept me going through this. You've been my support team, and I want you to know I really appreciate it and I love you. So to all the moms in Rhode Island, happy Mother's Day. Enjoy the day and be safe.